Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. No, we overdue. What you doing right now?
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about this crochet hair. Check out my braid pattern. So that's my leave out braid right there. And then I have 3 braids on either side of the leave out and 1 braid going across the nape of my neck. So I already started adding some crochet. You see my braids are old, but I love doing crochet on old braids. It looks so much more natural. And it just disguises the parts so nicely and just looks really, really, really good when the braids are a little shaggy and old. This hair is extremely curly, coily, so you want to leave some space and gaps in between. You don't want to overfill this hair. You only want to use about 2 packs of this hair because you do get a lot in each pack. This hair is 18 inches and it is 240 grams of hair. Alright, so we got pretty much the install done. Now I just want to work on the density because I feel like this side is a lot more dense than this side, and if I leave it this way, it'll look very lopsided. So I'm going to go in, add some more hair in here to fill this out, but I don't want to add too much because then it starts to become overwhelming and too thick. So I'm just going to go in, add a line of crochet right here, and then I think I'll just add just a few little pieces just to get a little closer to this area. This is going to be my leave out, which I'm kind of nervous about because I never do leave out in the center part, but I just want to see how this is going to go. And then I left just the smallest amount of leave out around my edges. I'll show you what the hair looks like when it's coming out of the pack. So I did get 4 packs of hair. I'm not going to use anywhere near 4 packs of hair. I think I'm ultimately just going to use 2 packs and maybe 1 or 2 pieces from the 3rd pack. 2 packs of hair is more than enough for this type of hair. So this is what the hair looks like when it's coming out of the pack. Really beautiful color. I'll leave all the details for the hair in the description box down below.
We was raised a little different.
So of course, as usual, I'm going to use leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use water and mousse to go ahead and get these curls defined, get them popping. I'll use a diffuser blow dryer. Sometimes I'll use a diffuser, sometimes I won't. But mostly I'll use a diffuser blow dryer to set the curls, and I'll use a Denman brush to make sure they're really nice and juicy. So this is me just defining the curls, using my fingers to detangle as well as a wide tooth comb, and then I'll come back with my makeup done and the hair ready to go, and I'll just show you the finishing touches. And this is what the hair is looking like. I take out that leave out braid. I ended up not doing the middle part leave out, you guys. I was just like really shook. I didn't know how to blend it, so I just decided not to do the leave out braid. So I just added crochet over top of the leave out braid. And yeah, I took out that braid, I added some edge control. This is the Glee Made edge control. Brushed that down and the hair was good to go. I ended up not using a diffuser. So a diffuser is not necessary for this hair. It's absolutely gorgeous just like it is. This is 2 packs of hair. I did not use more than that. So 2 packs is more than enough. I'll leave links to this hair down below. You can grab it from Amazon. This brand is so beautiful. The hair is so gorgeous and this color is phenomenal. It has dark roots, so it blends so well with my natural hair color, and then it just has this beautiful, rich, warm chestnut brown tone that I absolutely love. I highly recommend this hair. It's so easy to work with. It looks so good installed, and I have no complaints at all. So definitely check the description box and get you some of this hair, sis, because I think it's absolutely stunning. All right, you guys, make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and turn on your notifications. See you in the next one. Peace.